Hello growers, today we are going to talk about scale insects and their biological control with beneficial predators and parasites. Scale insects are known to cause heavy yield losses in many field crops, vegetables, fruits and ornamentals. They look like bumps on the plant surface. However, farmers often notice them only after they cause serious damage to their crops. Scale insects are sap-sucking pests that stick to leaves, twigs, branches and fruits. They have a simple life cycle that usually begins when eggs are laid beneath the protective body of the adult female. After hatching, the young nymphs called crawlers are the only mobile stage that move to find a suitable feeding site on a plant. Once settled, they insert their mouthparts into plant tissue, begin feeding on sap, and gradually lose mobility as they develop a waxy or hard protective covering. The insect passes through several immature stages before reaching adulthood. Adult females typically remain stationary and while adult males, if present, may develop wings and live only briefly to mate. Scale insects cover themselves with hard or soft layers appearing as a brown, white, or cottony masses. Common types include armored scales, cottony scales, and soft scales. Once settled, they continuously suck sap and gradually weaken the plants. Infested plants turn yellow, grow poorly, and show reduced flowering and fruiting, leading to lower yields. A soft scale produce honeydew, which promotes the development of sooty mold on the leaf surface. This black coating reduces photosynthesis, diminishes aesthetic value, and severely affects plant growth. Plants infested with scale insects produce small, deformed, and unmarketable fruits. Heavy infestations can even kill young plants. Ants increase the population of scale insects because they protect them in exchange for honeydew. Chemical control often fails because the insects are protected by their covering. Also, repeated spraying of pesticides kills beneficial insects and cause scale insects to rebound. Therefore, biological control is the safest and most effective solution. Biological control uses natural enemies that feed on or kill scale insects. Important predators include scale-eating lacewing larvae that are highly effective in controlling scale insects. Also, a tiny parasitic wasp called Apitis melinus kills scale insects from inside and reduces their population. In conclusion, farmers should avoid unnecessary pesticide use to protect these beneficial insects. Ants should be controlled using sticky bands to prevent them from protecting scales insects from natural enemies. Heavily infested branches should be pruned and destroyed to reduce spread of scale insects. When natural enemies are protected, scale insects stay under control. Therefore, farmers should encourage beneficial insects to healthier crops and better yields. For more tips, visit bugsforgrowers.com and follow us on YouTube at Bugs for Growers. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.